Hello, welcome back to the channel. Last week I finally left Macquarie Bay, heading south past the King's Cave and onto the village of Black Waterfoot, where I stopped to pick up a few odds and sods and to eat some lunch. I then took a very sunny and scenic South Coast drive to the Sealshore campsite at Kildonan. I spent a relaxing evening in the van and next morning got on with a few jobs. I was so impressed with this campsite location that I decided to spend a second night here. This time though, I was off-grid and down by the shoreline.
One step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame.
What had started off as a sunshiny, blue sky day soon turned very overcast, and then along came the heavy rains and strong winds. So I decided to head to the day room where there was free Wi-Fi and upload my first vlog of this trip. But I didn't do any more recording that day. It's a blustery morning, a wild one out at sea. And you won't be able to see, but I left my GoPro on the floor outside last night. Thank goodness they're waterproof. Operation GoPro Rescue. Oh, you poor little thing. You're not going to be very happy, are you? All is well. So my last full day on the island, and it's not a great one. So what to do today? My original plan had been to get the bike out today and do some cycling around Brodick and to Brodick Castle, around the grounds there. But cycling on a day like this, it's not that appealing, to be honest. I'm using that lamp because I've no electric hookup, so I'm saving my battery. It's quite good actually, look. Light, less light, less light. Mood light, hazard light, off. This hook for my keys, this hook for my chargers, and this middle hook. I thought, why have I put that there? What am I going to use that for? And now I know. Perfect. Oh, this has to be the worst weather day I've had this week, so I can't complain. Although I might do if it's in all day. I love the sound of rain on the van though, don't you? I think what I'm going to do is head to Brodick, where my final night is going to be, and then see what little places I pass through on the way there. At the moment I'm in Kildonan, so Kildonan to Brodick, and past quite a few nice places like Whiting Bay, is it Lamlash? So I'll probably want to pull in there. There may be somewhere to stop for brunch as well, because I'm not feeling the porridge thing, and I don't want to be doing sort of bacon, eggs in the van when it's like that outside, because it's very windy and I can't have the door open. I just take a leisurely drive, see what happens, see where I end up. I love that about being in the van. You don't need plans, just set off. Very quick site tour. The terracotta building on the right is a reception and shop, and then here you've got your fridge, microwave, and outside a map of the whole site. I spent my first night on pitch 16, and the second night there was no pitch number. On your left is some toilets, and then down this pathway are the showers. Perfectly clean, I'd say pretty basic but adequate. And then down and round here is your Elson point. It's actually a toilet, a flushable toilet. And there's your office and reception. And ahead are your bins. The prices should be appearing in the top right of your screen, because I'm good like that. And the building on your left here is the day room with information and leaflets. So it was goodbye to a very wet sealshore campsite as I headed further east and then northwards towards Whiting Bay. The weather didn't get any better there either. And then I carried on along the road, travelling north through to Lamlash, where I managed to pick up some lunch. Then before reaching Brodick, I stopped off at Glenashdale car park and picnic area. So here's the footage.
In 1.2 miles, turn right.
I've no idea what that was. It's put some rain down in the night. Quite a few floody roads. That's a nice walk, I believe, Glenashdale Falls. It's supposed to be an impressive 3-mile circular walk that goes up through a wooded glen to a viewing platform of the Glenashdale Falls, which is a double cascade waterfall and apparently the finest on the island. The walk then takes you to 2 chambered cairns known as Giants' Graves, which have an outlook over Whiting Bay and the Holy Island. At least I know they'll still be there when I come next time. Thanks again, Pauline. So I've taken out a large white coffee and a vegan sausage roll, sweet potato and pulses. It looks really nice. Naughty but nice. So I am now going to devour said sausage roll off camera. Oh my goodness. One bite into the sausage roll and I have to report back. Absolutely delicious. Really, really tasty. Seafront car park. Cars only. No caravans or buses. Or lorries. No overnight parking. And I'll enjoy my coffee with this view, I think. I've already devoured the sausage roll and it was scrummy, absolutely scrummy. So every car park is no overnight parking in Lamlash. I haven't found one that allows it. Not on the main street anyway. Thank you for the seat, Bill and Marion. Unfortunately the tide's in, but it looks like quite a nice little sandy bay here. Oh my days, I keep getting a right soaking. It's really coming down now, so I think I'm going to drive on to Brodick way. I can check into the campsite. What time is it? In about half an hour. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Hang on, see if I can turn you around. I can't see me doing a great deal today, but we'll see. The drive from Whiting Bay to Brodick takes you past the Glenashdale car parking area. It's like a picnic area. And Glenashdale is a mountain summit, so I presume you set off on your walk from here. I'm not sure if you can park overnight though. There are a couple of motorhomes here and they sort of look like they might have been, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. Maybe you know. And it's called Glenashdale, which is probably pronounced completely wrong. Forestry Commission Scotland. And from here I commence my descent into Brodick. I sound like a pilot, don't I? So join me next time for my last night on the Isle of Arran, where I pass some very long ferry queues thanks to the ferry that's out of service. Choose a little bit of shopping rather than a day cycling in the rain and pick up some goodies. And return to where I started out, the Auckranny Resort. Thanks for watching!